All right, let's talk about the toughest milestone in content creation, getting your first 1,000 followers. In this explainer, we're giving you the AI-powered blueprint to do it, not in months, but in just a few weeks.
But first, let's just get real with a pretty tough number. 90%. That is the staggering percentage of new creators who just give up before they ever even hit that 1K mark. It's a total dream killer. But here's the thing. That does not have to be you. We're about to walk through a proven AI-powered strategy. It's designed to smash through that barrier and get you to the other side in weeks, not months.
So, why is this first milestone so incredibly hard? Let's break down the struggle. Because if you're watching this, you're probably feeling it right now. I mean, hitting that first 1,000 can feel literally impossible sometimes.
Here's exactly why it feels so tough. It's kind of like a perfect storm of things working against you. You've got no followers, which means no social proof, which means you have like zero credibility to a new viewer. The algorithm is actually at a disadvantage for you because it favors accounts that already have an engagement history. You can't monetize anything yet, your content is basically invisible, and all of that just creates this huge psychological wall that makes most people just want to quit.
Now this is where it gets really interesting. Look at the massive difference a smart strategy makes. If you're just winging it, you're looking at a 3 to 6 month grind, easy. But by actually leveraging AI, you can condense that whole journey into just 4 to 8 weeks. That's the power of the system we're about to get into.
Okay, so how do we actually beat this thing? Well, we have to crack the algorithm's code. We have to stop guessing and start understanding what these platforms really want from us right now, especially as we head into 2025.
And this table just lays out the rules of the game perfectly. On YouTube, it is all about watch time. They want people to stay on the platform, so if your video can hold someone for over 40% of its length, YouTube will show it to more people. For TikTok, it's all about that completion rate, getting people to watch from the very first second to the last. And on Instagram, they're looking for that juicy engagement, which tells them your content is starting a conversation.
So you see the common thread here, right? Despite all their little differences, every single algorithm wants the same 3 things: consistency, engagement, and retention. And AI? Well, AI is the tool that lets you deliver all 3 of those things at scale without completely burning out.
All right, now for the main event, the heart of this whole explainer, the actionable blueprint. This is your step-by-step roadmap to get you to 1,000 followers.
Look, this is a manageable journey, not some endless sprint. We've broken it down into 3 simple phases. Week 1 is all about building your foundation. Weeks 2 through 4 are about establishing relentless consistency. And then, weeks 5 to 8, that's when you trigger your breakthrough.
So in that first week, your focus is laser sharp. First, get your profile and your bio looking professional, and get your AI tools set up. Step 2, use that AI to generate at least 20 solid content ideas. 3, batch create your first 5 videos or posts. And 4, launch. Then engage with every single comment you get and start tracking that data.
Now, I mentioned batch creation, and you absolutely need to master this. It's your secret weapon for that consistency we talked about. Instead of waking up every day stressed about what to post, you set aside 1 block of time to create a whole week's worth of content. This is how you win the game. And you know, once that foundation is set, the rest of the journey is just this powerful, repeating cycle. You analyze your data, see which video popped off. Then you double down on that topic or that format, and then you scale your output. It's really that simple.
Now you might be thinking, this sounds like a ton of work for one person. And you'd be right if you didn't have your toolkit. I want you to stop thinking of these AI tools as just software. Think of them as your own super affordable personal content team. Here's your starting lineup. ChatGPT Plus is your strategist. Little pro tip, just ask it to act as a viral content strategist and give me 10 scroll-stopping hooks for video about whatever your topic is. Canva Pro is your graphic designer. Opus Clip or Descript is your video editor. And Buffer is your social media manager. You get this entire team for less than $60 a month. It's incredible.
So what does hiring that team get you? Just look at this chart. The average time to create a single piece of content plummets from around 16 hours all the way down to just 6. This isn't just a small improvement. This is a revolutionary shift in how you work.
I mean, think about that. A 60 to 70% reduction in the time you spend creating. This is the secret. This is how you, as one person, can finally achieve that high-volume, high-quality consistency that the algorithms are literally built to reward.
Okay, you've put in the work, you've been consistent, you've followed the plan,
and you've smashed through that 1K wall. So now, let's talk about the payoff. This is the motivation that's going to keep you going when things feel tough.
The first signs of real money can actually start showing up even earlier, around 500 followers. This is when you might get your first affiliate sale, or maybe a small local brand reaches out for a post. Look, it's not life-changing money yet, but it's proof. It's proof that this thing can actually work.
But at 1,000 followers, everything changes. This is not just another number. This is the key that unlocks the door to the entire creator economy.
Suddenly, it's like all of these doors just swing wide open. You get access to creator funds on places like TikTok and YouTube. Your potential for affiliate marketing just explodes. You can start securing real paid brand partnerships. You can sell your own digital products, and you can land sponsored content deals.
So what does all of that add up to in your pocket? Realistically, you're looking at a monthly income somewhere between $600 and over $3,000. This is the point where your creative side hustle starts becoming a real, significant source of income.
But honestly, it's about so much more than the money. Hitting 1,000 followers is your proof of concept. It proves that your content actually connects with an audience, it proves you have the discipline to be consistent, and it proves that you are absolutely ready to scale to the next level.
So there you have it, the complete blueprint. You've got the tools, the timeline, the strategy, and you know the payoff. Everything is laid out right in front of you. So the only question left is the one that really matters. What are you going to create first?